You are going to love the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats, MP3 player, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.